Hello friends! Is your car engine running rough, shaking, or losing power? If your check engine light, CEL, is on and the scanner shows code P0305, it means cylinder 5 is misfiring. Ignoring this can cause poor fuel economy, increased emissions, and even severe engine damage, but don't worry. In this video, we'll break down what P0305 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0305 stands for Cylinder 5 Misfire Detected. This means that the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected that Cylinder 5 is not firing correctly, leading to inefficient engine operation. Common symptoms of P0305: check engine light, CL, on, engine shakes or vibrates at idle, loss of power and hesitation while accelerating, poor fuel economy, unusual exhaust smell or possible backfiring, and the engine may stall or run rough. If you notice these signs, you need to check the critical components related to Cylinder 5. To diagnose P0305, inspect these key locations: Cylinder 5 spark plug and ignition coil, found on top of Cylinder 5, near the intake manifold or engine cover. Crankshaft position sensor, CKP, located near the crankshaft pulley or flywheel responsible for engine timing. Camshaft position sensor, CMP, usually found on the cylinder head, it helps regulate ignition and fuel injection. Fuel injector for Cylinder 5 mounted on the intake manifold near Cylinder 5, controls fuel delivery. Mass airflow sensor, MAF, located between the air filter and throttle body, measures air intake. Throttle position sensor, TPS, positioned on the throttle body, regulates air intake. Oxygen sensor, O2 sensor, found before and after the catalytic converter, monitors the air-fuel mixture. Vacuum hoses and intake manifold located around the engine, responsible for maintaining proper air balance. A fault in any of these parts can cause Cylinder 5 to misfire. Common causes of P0305: worn-out spark plug or ignition coil for Cylinder 5. A weak spark will cause misfires. Clogged or failing fuel injector for Cylinder 5. A dirty or damaged injector leads to improper fuel delivery. Weak fuel pump or fuel pressure regulator. Low fuel pressure affects cylinder combustion. Vacuum leaks, cracked or loose hoses cause unbalanced air-fuel mixture. Dirty or faulty mass airflow, MAF, sensor incorrect air intake readings affect combustion. Crankshaft or camshaft position sensor failure. If these fail, ignition timing gets thrown off. Excessive carbon buildup, deposits in Cylinder 5, block fuel and airflow. Clogged catalytic converter, a restricted exhaust flow affects engine efficiency. PCM or wiring issues, damaged wiring or a faulty PCM can disrupt the ignition process. Alright, let's get started with fixing that P0305 code. Step 1. Check and replace the spark plug and ignition coil for Cylinder 5. Step 2. Inspect and clean the fuel injector for Cylinder 5. Replace it if necessary. Step 3. Measure fuel pressure to ensure the pump and regulator are working properly. Step 4. Scan and test the crankshaft position sensor and camshaft position sensor. Step 5. Look for vacuum leaks in hoses and the intake manifold. Step 6. Clean or replace the mass airflow sensor. Step 7. Check for a clogged catalytic converter or exhaust system issues. Step 8. Reset the code and test drive the car to confirm the fix. Remember, P0305 can lead to engine damage and expensive repairs if ignored. Fixing it early will save you money and keep your car running smoothly. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos: P02686, Cylinder 11 Injector Circuit High, P0287, Cylinder 10 Contribution Balance Fault, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.